Hey guys, it's Bakim here today, and today we're going to be unboxing the Halo sneaker by Eytys. Alright, I'm back. So, how have you guys been? It's been a while since I've sat down and actually filmed a video. I feel like I say that in every video. The last couple of videos were hair videos, so it's been a while since I've just sat down, spoke right to the camera. The past couple weeks have been crazy. I did take about 2 weeks off because there was a lot going on in Louisiana. So I live really close to Texas, and of course we had that crazy winter storm. So I kind of took some time off. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing the Halo sneaker from Eytys. Yeah, it's just going to be a fun little video. I'm going to show you what the shoe looks like. Hey you! Yes, I'm talking to you. Why are you not subscribed? Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. And yeah, I'll wait on that, then we're gonna get into the video. Alright, so I have this big old box here. This is the box that they shipped it in. Of course on the front it's just a white plain box, and it comes with the Eytys logo here. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and hopefully we can see how to get into this thing. So it comes with this little this little paper that says, "Hi, thank you for your purchase at Eytys.com." It says it was packaged by Kim Lundquist. I'm sorry if I'm butchering this. Well, Kim, if you're watching, thank you, Kim. That's so sweet of you. Then you have your little invoice for what you've ordered. They also give you a return thing. I guess you have a 30-day return period for this, so that's pretty awesome. So fun fact, I first found this brand through Instagram. I was looking for some shoes to kind of replace my Balenciaga Triple S, because I ended up selling them a year ago or something like that. And I was like, why would a brand name themselves Eytys? I feel like that's such a hard name to remember. Then I was watching some other people's reviews and they were like, oh, well the brand name is Eytys. And I was like, oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. So this is what the outside of the box looks like. So it has a kind of silver, again, I think it's called an embossed Eytys logo on the front. The box itself is speckled all the way around. It's a pretty nice box and it feels like it's pretty good quality. It also shows the size on the box, so you see another Eytys logo, and then of course the model name is the Halo sneaker. The material is suede, the color is off-white, and the size I got it in was a 44. Now, how does it open up? Okay, so you pull it at the end here. And it kind of folds out and lifts up. So inside it comes with a dust bag. So it's a purple kind of dust bag. It's really nice and really big. Of course, again, it has the Eytys logo on it. It's very fancy. Unlike my Balenciagas, it has very minimal paper in here. I remember on that video, there was so much tissue paper in there. And these shoes are huge. So this is what the shoes look like when you open up the box. So just a basic shoe, they're kind of, flipped, catacornered, whatever you want to call them. So this is definitely a kind of a heavy shoe. So the website describes it as a anti-pole hiking and basketball references, propelled by a lightweight sole characterized by its bold arches and organic outlines, make up the Halo silhouette. This otherworldly creation, made in rough suede and lustrous mesh, has a distinct square toe, speed lace system, nylon hooks, and a chrome logo at the tongue. Sounds really fancy. So the shoe definitely has a interchanging mesh kind of arrow zigzag type of thing. So it goes from suede to mesh to suede to mesh, yada yada yada. It has a purple pull tag here on the back, and the tongue has a little bit of suede and kind of a mix of suede and mesh together. One of my favorite things so far about this shoe is that it doesn't have like traditional strings. It has this kind of like, I wish I knew what to call this. It has kind of like this button that you, drawstring. It has kind of like this drawstring instead of traditional laces, because I typically tuck my laces behind the tongue anyway, so it's good that I won't have to do that with these. Of course, it has a huge chunky like platform on it. I love the mix of like the creams and the grays together. I love a good neutral shoe just because when your shoes are neutral, it makes putting together an outfit so much easier because you don't have to put on this great outfit and then think, okay, which one of my 100 colors of shoes is gonna go with this? I typically keep my shoes either black or white just to make it easy on myself. Anyways, I'm interested to see how this is gonna fit, how comfortable they'll be, so I'm gonna try them on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with my final thoughts about the Eytys Halo sneaker. So as far as comfort level goes, I don't feel like they're as comfortable as some of the other designer shoes that I've tried, in particular Balenciaga. I know I've mentioned them a couple times in this video, only because I feel like it's the closest comparison to this shoe. As far as the design, like I said earlier, I love this design of the shoe. I really like the alternating suede and mesh. Kind of like arrows, zigzags, whatever you want to call them on the shoe. I think it's a really cool design. That mixed with this kind of wavy, almost spacey kind of print for the sole, I think it's just a really cool feature to the shoe. I feel like if you were to wear these shoes, you know, a couple of times, just like any sneaker, once you break them in, they'll be very comfortable to wear. I feel like this shoe would go with a lot of different things. I particularly like to wear my chunky shoes with either a cropped jean or like a wide leg pant. I think this shoe definitely compliments me a lot. I'm like 6'1", 6'2", so a chunky shoe on me doesn't look, you know, disproportionate or anything like that. So overall, I really love this shoe. I do recommend this shoe to anybody who wants a high-end shoe but doesn't want to pay like a high-end price necessarily, because these shoes do retail for $470. And yeah, that's what my thoughts are. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, unfortunately, it's gonna cost you. Acceptable forms of payment are likes, comments, and a subscribe. Now if you fail to make your payment, you will receive an invoice.